Gentlemen, this is Mantelligence. I'm here today to discuss the reason why women lose attraction in you. How to attract women is one thing, but how to keep them attracted is another. We watched Apollonia Ponti's video on what to do to make her miss you, and man, did they have some good information. But it got us thinking about attraction and why women lose attraction in men. We got the answers, and we'll share them with you today. We're also going to tell you the secret law of attraction so you know how to maintain that attraction and not lose it. Ready? Then let's get right into it.
Number 7, you're boring. To be attractive, you need to be alluring and enticing. You don't send off magnetic charm if you're boring and putting the girl in your company to sleep. That's not how to make a girl like you. You need to put in effort to make a girl crazy for you so she stays attracted to you. You need to set the tones of your conversations and interactions so that they're exciting and interesting. Tell fascinating stories about your experiences or tell her something funny. Get her laughing and find amusing ways to spend time together. Ask her questions and ask about her opinions so she can join in the discussion and it's not one-sided. You can plan new activities to do together so it's not the same thing over and over. And this isn't just for the beginning of the relationship. Women lose attraction when the effort stops. If she's enjoying your company, she'll no doubt stay attracted to you. Watch our video on how to make a girl crazy for you to really get her interested and to keep her attraction to you going.
Number 6, you're distant and acting cold. Being mysterious can be sexy. It can be an attractive trait because you leave them wanting to know more about you. But don't confuse being the mysterious type for being distant and cold. How to be more attractive is about being someone they want to know more about and be with. If you're constantly indifferent to her needs, she'll slowly emotionally shut off on you and you'll lose her attraction. No matter how long you've been together, distance in any relationship is incredibly hard to bear for long periods of time. This is because an essential component of being with someone is being able to connect with them. You're attracted to people that can love, understand, and support you when you need them. Women need to feel a connection and they need to believe you're dependable. You can't connect or be dependent on if you're seemingly unavailable and cold.
Number 5, you're taking her for granted. If you show her signs of being too complacent or you start taking her for granted, she'll lose attraction to you. In fact, it can get to a point where it's hard to rekindle that flame. Be mindful of her feelings and be present when you're with her. Remember, how to get a girlfriend is about showing her attention and making her know that you care about her. Make it known that she's a priority and that you want her included in your life. Make her feel like you're not taking her for granted. This shows her that you're interested and she'll find your consideration and care attractive. Don't be distracted and make sure to give her quality time. This is how to make a girl like you and how to keep her attracted. Women find men who value them and appreciate their time together a charming trait, and they'll be drawn to you.
Number 4, your smell matters. Smells can be a funny thing, but did you know, according to an article written by Elizabeth Swoboda on Psychology Today, scents play a behavior-influencing role when it comes to attraction. Make any girl fall in love with you and keep her attracted through her sense of smell. Yes, that's right. Whether you choose to wear some or not, your choice of body spray, deodorant, or cologne actually matters. If you're wondering how to get a girl to like you and stay attracted to you, perhaps you should consider how you smell and whether the lady you're trying to impress likes it. Make sure to stay fresh and clean around her because the smell of BO can be pretty off-putting. If you want to know more ways to make any girl fall in love with you fast, watch this video for some great advice.
Number 3, you're rude or entitled. No one likes people that are impolite, offensive, or rude. It isn't just women that will be turned off. You'll find that you'll start losing friends, too. Think about it. Do you enjoy being with someone that shows no consideration for others, has bad manners, shows an entitled attitude, or just has no common decency? If you're finding that women are losing attraction to you, check to see if you're not unintentionally portraying any improper behaviors or maybe a not-so-friendly demeanor. This could be small things like littering, picking your nose in public, being disrespectful to waitstaff, or something like texting or making personal phone calls in the middle of your conversations. Keep her attracted by being respectful, courteous, and kind.
Gentlemen, we have only 2 very important items left to go before we tell you about the law of attraction and how it works to make women not lose attraction in you. Let's get right back to it. Number 2, you're jealous and controlling. It doesn't hurt to be decisive, but you're considered controlling if you're bossy and want things to always go your way. When you're not willing to go with the flow sometimes or let her make choices, consider this unattractive. Jealousy and controlling are 2 traits that play hand in hand. Jealousy shows when you're worried you're going to lose your person, and controlling is the result of the effort you make to be sure you don't. Depending on how you show these qualities, it can be a big turnoff. All those signs a girl likes you starts to go away when you start to show her jealous and controlling behavior. It's a sure way to lose someone's attraction because these characteristics can lead to more serious issues like manipulation and emotional and physical abuse. Any sign of those attributes, and women will be running the other way, and rightly so. How to get girls to like you is not done by scaring them away. Instead, show confidence and show trust. These are attractive and loving qualities in a man. Give her space and freedom, and show her that you're secure in the relationship you have. You'll notice her interest in you growing. If you're not sure how to spot this sign she's attracted to you, watch our video on hidden signs she likes you.
Number 1, you're dishonest. Okay, picture this. You've told her you're this amazing guy who runs marathons, earns millions, volunteers as a firefighter, and helps Batman catch bad guys to kill time every other Sunday. But in truth, you're none of these things. You might have thought of it as a clever way how to get your crush to like you, but what happens when she discovers the truth? You know the truth always comes out. It'll be quite the letdown, and there'll be nothing left but disappointment. Lying about who you are or what you do are terrible mistakes you should avoid at all costs, because you're attracting her to a person that doesn't exist. While the dating game might have a lot of competition, you should never lie about yourself, even if it's to make yourself more appealing. You know the saying, honesty is the best policy. You want to build trust and be authentic. These are really the best qualities women want. And if you have them, you'll be pretty damn attractive.
Now that you know the reasons why women lose attraction, be sure to avoid them as much as possible and apply the secret law of attraction to ensure that you maintain your appeal. But what's exactly the law of attraction? Well, it's a pseudoscience centered on the concept that your thoughts manifest and generate results. To put it another way, if you believe you're attractive, the law suggests others will find you attractive also. How this works is you exude the energy of your mind and the universe gives it back to you. Kind of like saying you believe, therefore you are. Be mindful of how you see yourself and choose to be attractive so that women will find you attractive as well.
So gentlemen, do you think men and women lose attraction the same way? Let me know what you think in the comment. Now that you know the reason why women lose attraction, want to know how to get girls to like you? Check out this video, Make a Girl Crazy for You, and women losing attraction will no longer be an issue for you.